Today I'm going to show you how to make change in color effect animation in Canva. Go and open video project and drag the background. Set image as a background, click on the image, edit photo and switch to the old editor first. Then grab your images after removing the background from all of them. Resize. The second one in the left. And the third one in the right. And go to layers, show layers, and make this one in the top. And now click on the one in the middle, edit image, adjust and decrease the saturation and increase the blur to 15% and make the same and this one on the right. Duplicate, make the saturation normal and make the blur normal, and go to the one in the left and decrease the saturation and increase the blur. Duplicate, decrease the saturation, increase the blur, and the third one, increase the saturation and make the blur normal. Click in the first slide, make the timing 1.5, apply to all pages, add the match and move transition, apply between all pages, and you can see the results. And you can add text for each page. For example, first one, change the font, animate, baseline, and make both, and make reverse exit animation, and make the same for 3 of them. And here is the final results. In the second slide, the only difference that we have is this shape. We make it in the first page to the left, and the second page we move it to the middle, and the third page we move it to the right. You can create it easily by clicking shapes and resize it as you want and change the color to any color you want. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.